Hello guys. I'm gonna talk to you about many different things because I travel around the world and I learn a lot of things around the world. I used to work in a cruise ship as a spa receptionist. I used to do a lot of traveling around Europe, and also I went to Australia, and I learned a lot of things. So I would like, this video would be a channel to see a lot of tricks to help yourself, maybe with a detox and a detox cleansing for the body, which will help you to have a better health, and also to carry on a better life. And I want also to make a funny channel because I'm not a very serious person. What I like is just to have fun, and I like that people enjoy what I'm saying. A part of learning about what I'm talking, I also love that you enjoy life, and I will show you quite a few things, quite a few tricks, and I want you also to see a little bit more the life the way I see it, and I hope you're going to enjoy it, and you're going to laugh and to have fun with me. This is all what I want from you, so please come and see me whenever you want, and I love you. I send you a lot of kisses, and I hope you're going to see me very soon.